This is lit code question number 589, N-ary tree preorder traversal. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given an N-ary tree, return the preorder traversal of each node value. N-ary tree input serialization is represented in their level order traversal. Each group of children is separated by null value. Okay, there is follow-up. Recursive solution is trivial. Could you do it iteratively? Okay, then today I gonna implement the both way, not only recursion but also iteration. Okay, let's check this example 1. So first preorder is going to 1, and then left down, next is left 3, and then left is 5. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, and then now 3, and then going 6, and then up and 2, and up and 4. So return is 2, this one. So okay, let's make recursion first. Okay, preorder and receive load, and then recursion has two modules, base case and recursion relationship, and then base case is if load, and then I return. And then preorder is left, root, left, right. This is synchronous, right? So first I will do root first. So output append node value, and I will iteration to children, therefore left to left is first in node children. I will get one child from node children, and then I will recursion C, and we need the output to return and call preorder root, and then return out. Okay, if its root is 0, it's okay because here it will return, so out must be empty. Okay, looks good. In this case, time complex, okay, let's say n is a number of node, and then time complexity is the linear time, because I just touched the every node one by one, and then space complexity is log n, because we use system stack. But worst case, if tree is the left screwed or right screwed, stacks the tree depth is the same as the number of node. So at the worst, that will be worst case. At that case, space complexity also linear space. And now make it to iteratively. At that time and space complex are also same. And then we need the system stack, right? So I make a system stack, and then I make output to return. And if root, and then I will append stack, append the root, and then I will iteration while stack. I will get one node from stack, and then I will put append node value. Then for C int, I will put stack to children to stack, child to stack in node children, and then I will stack C, return half. It works? No, because recursion, when you're going to stack up, the children also traverse the from last to first, because that is recursion. Because sequence also follow the system stack, but in this case it did not follow, so we need to do reverse seed children. Okay, looks good. 192%. And then some people do not like the reverse at that time. We also do range and length -1 to 0 -1 by 1, and then I will change this one is index. Now this one index right, and then node and direct access. Also same, because I will start by last to first. But performance is almost the same, right? Thank you.